2026 Mustang Boss 429 is not just a return of a legend, it's the most extreme, track-ready, street-legal muscle car Ford has ever built. Designed to honor its 1969 predecessor, but reimagined for modern-day dominance, the new Boss 429 is pure V8 fury unleashed. At its core is a massive hand-built 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. No turbos, no hybrid boost, just old-school American power, tuned with modern precision. This beast cranks out 850 horsepower and 725 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful, naturally aspirated V8 Mustang in history. The sound is a raw, unfiltered growl that shakes the pavement and demands attention the moment it fires up. That power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels with a standard Trim-X 6-speed manual transmission. For those wanting faster shifts, Ford also offers an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, but it's clear, this car was built with driving purists in mind. A revised launch control system, adjustable line lock, and a performance-tuned limited slip. Differential help harness every bit of power. On the outside, the 2026 Boss 429 is unmistakably aggressive. It features a wide, muscular stance, a deep chin splitter, flared fenders, and a carbon fiber vented hood designed for maximum airflow. The bold front fascia channels air into the radiator and brakes, while a ducktail spoiler and rear diffuser help plant the car at high speed. Unique Boss badging, quad exhausts, and exclusive paint colors like Crimson Metallic and Heritage Grabber Blue finish the look with a nod to its iconic past. But this isn't just about looking fast, it's built to perform. The car rides on a fully adjustable MagneRide suspension system, tuned specifically for the Boss. Braking is handled by a Brembo carbon ceramic system, featuring 16-inch rotors and 6-piston calipers, offering incredible stopping power with zero fade even after repeated hard use on the track. The chassis has been stiffened with additional bracing and a rear crosstower bar. With lightweight materials throughout, carbon fiber hood, roof, and trunk, the Boss 429 weighs just a hair over 3,800 pounds, a remarkable feat for a V8-powered coupe with this much capability. Inside, it's all business. Recaro bucket seats keep you firmly planted, while Alcantara trim and red-stitched leather add a performance flair. The flat-bottomed steering wheel includes drive mode controls, and the digital instrument cluster displays real-time telemetry, G-forces, tire temps, and shift indicators. The 13.2-inch Sync 5 infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Boss-exclusive performance apps. There's also a dedicated Boss Drive mode, which opens the exhaust valves, stiffens the suspension, sharpens throttle response, and activates the most aggressive transmission mapping. It transforms the car into a track weapon with just one click. Optional upgrades include a carbon track pack that deletes the rear seat, swaps in carbon wheels, and adds aero components like front canards and a massive adjustable rear wing. This trim is built for hardcore track day performance and drops curb weight by over 120 pounds. Ford is building only 1,500 units of the 2026 Boss 429, making it one of the rarest Mustangs of the modern era. Each car is individually numbered and includes a serialized engine plaque and exclusive delivery package. Pricing starts just under $100,000, with fully optioned models crossing into six-figure territory. But for those lucky enough to own one, it's not just a car, it's an experience. It's the last stand of raw V8 power before electric performance takes over, and Ford has made sure it will go down in history. The 2026 Mustang Boss 429 is not for the faint of heart. It's loud, raw, and unapologetically powerful. A machine built for those who want the thrill of controlling something wild. If you love muscle cars, this is the one to watch. And if you're planning to own one, better move fast, because this legend won't wait.